Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this which queer coded character are you filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this filter, visit the creator profile. Melanie is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tree. So check in our filter gallery and this is the filter. Which queer coded character are you? Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tree and you can tap on try to try the filter. And to use this filter, just press and hold the camera button. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filters. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.